can have a balanced NPK plus a calcium-based fertilizer. Cabbage farming, like any other type of crop farming, is purely nutrition. From planting to crop development, which is vegetative, up to formation of the big head. And if you miss any of this step, you will not get a good end or a big head. So as a farmer, you need to know the nutritional approach. At planting, what product do you use? Vegetative, what do you use? At head formation, what do you use? At planting, I prefer using phosphorus-based fertilizer. At vegetative, I use vegetative fertilizer. And during end formation, and that is our main goal, that where I use a combination of fertilizers that gives me the head that I look for. Different varieties gives different sizes and also nutritional approach when it comes to your farm. So at vegetative stage, what product do we need to use so that we can achieve a big head? For this cabbage to form its big head, because you've already given it enough nitrogen, you can see how beautiful it is, how good looking it is. Now we want to form a big head, and this is the time now we come with a calcium based fertilizer. Yes, you can have a balanced NPK, 17, you can have 23 plus the calcium based fertilizer for you to be able to make the head, because already you can see it's in a formation ready to form the head. So for it to form the head, we have to give it enough food and the necessary food to transform it to the next level, which is head formation, and we are giving it calcium. For those who are asking the calcium based product to use, we use CAN. You can use CAN, calcium ammonium nitrate. That is what I usually use. I don't know what is available on your side, but all you need is a calcium based product, either a foliar or a basal product, but you can use both. You can use basal and a foliar. So we've just started. We are controlling the DBM, but also the aphids, which is a big disaster, so that we can achieve a big head. Hope you've learned something. So that our nutritional approach as of now to make the big head and to go to the market with the best size.